This might be the cutest little pouch I've made lately. A sunflower on the outside, a secret storage pocket inside. Perfect for AirPods, lip balms, coins, or tiny everyday essentials. Soft, practical, and handy with love. Let me show you how to crochet this adorable sunflower pouch step by step. First, we're going to start with the flower center. Using brown yarn, I'll make a magic ring and chain 2. These 2 chains do not count as a stitch. They're just used to begin a new round. Then I'll crochet 16 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. If you're new to crochet, don't forget to use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The total number of stitches after finishing this round will be 16 stitches. Once I finish the 16 double crochet stitches, I'll pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring. To finish the round, I'll make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. For round 2, we're going to make increases. I'll chain 2 first, then crochet 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch where I made those 2 chains. In this round, I'll increase in all 16 stitches. That means in each stitch, I'll crochet 2 double crochet stitches. After finishing round 2, the total stitch count will be 32 stitches. To finish the round, I'll make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Then I'll chain 1 and cut the yarn. And just like that, the flower center is complete. Now we're moving on to the flower petals. For this part, I'll be using yellow yarn. Honestly, this is my favorite part. For the petals, I'm using the popcorn stitch to make them pop in a cute 3D shape. It gives the flower more texture and more wow factor. First, I'll chain 2. Then into the same stitch, I'll crochet 3 double crochet stitches. After that, into the next stitch, I'll crochet 3 more double crochet stitches. Once I've made 6 double crochet stitches, I'll take the hook out, then insert it into the very first double crochet stitch. Pull the loop through and tighten it a little. And there it is, our first popcorn stitch is done. Next, I'll chain 3. Then repeat the same pattern into the next stitch. Crochet 3 double crochet stitches into the next stitch again, 3 more double crochet stitches. Then remove the hook. Insert it into the first double crochet stitch. Pull the loop through, tighten it gently, and chain 3. Just like that, the second popcorn stitch is complete. I'll keep repeating this pattern all the way around the round. By the end of this row, we'll have 16 popcorn stitches. To finish the last petal, I'll chain 3 first, then make a slip stitch into the first chain stitch, where we just started this round. And just like that, round 3 is complete. The petal pattern is all done, and look how beautifully it pops. So bold, so cute, right? Now I'm going to cut the yarn and switch to green. We're moving fast now. You're almost finished already. Next, I'll add a green border to decorate the outer edge. First, I'll insert the hook into the gap. And chain 1. And into that same space, I'll crochet the stitch combo. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 treble crochet stitches. This part might feel a little tricky at first, especially if you're new to crochet, so just watch my hand movements closely and follow along step by step. Next, right in the center of the popcorn stitch, you'll crochet 1 treble crochet stitch. Then move to the next gap and work the opposite side pattern. That means 2 treble crochet stitches, 1 double crochet stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch, and finished with 1 single crochet. You've got this. And just like that, the first leaf is done. We'll call this the leaf section. Now that the first one is finished, you'll keep repeating the same stitch pattern I just showed you. Continue all the way around using the same leaf combo. By the end of this round, you'll have a total of 8 leaves. Looking so cute already! When you get to the 8th leaf and finish the last single crochet stitch, now chain 35 stitches for me. We're making the back handle. And it's super simple. Once you finished the 35 chains, come back to that single crochet stitch and make 1 slip stitch into it. Just like that, the handle is done. Next, to finish this round, make 1 more slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch on the very first leaf. Then chain 1 and pull the yarn a little longer. We'll use this yarn tail later to join the 2 pieces together. Now make 1 more piece exactly the same as this one. You'll need 2 matching pieces, like twin flowers. When you finish the last leaf on the second piece, chain 8 stitches for me. We'll use those 8 chains later to join them with the back handle, so the top opening of the bag closes more neatly and snug. A tiny detail, but it makes a big difference. Now all that's left to do is sew the pieces together, and this adorable mini bag will be complete. You can choose the width of your bag opening, depending on your own style and what you like best. If you're not sure how to sew and join the pieces, just watch closely the tutorial part in the video and follow along with me. you're literally one step away from finishing something super cute. And just like that, in less than 20 minutes together, this cute little bag is finished. So simple, right? You can use it to hold lipstick, keys, coins, AirPods, or any tiny essentials you want to carry around. You can also gift it to your friends or family. Handmade gifts always feel extra special and meaningful. If there's any crochet design you really love but don't know how to make it yet, drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to make a video and share that pattern with you next.